Hi guys, welcome back, and we're going to be making little tea light houses. Before we get started, I'm just adding some cornstarch onto my chopping board and also onto my rolling pin so that the dough doesn't stick. So it's now been a couple of days since I last did this video, and our sort of elements are completely dry for our houses. I air dried mine, and even though I've got a really nice sort of like sparkly finish on some of these houses now, the only downside is they air dried and the edges have gone a bit like sort of crinkly at the edges. So these houses might look a little bit misshapen and a little bit more rustic than I would have liked.